Tobago, the smaller sister island of Trinidad, is often called the unspoiled Caribbean for its pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and easygoing island culture. Travelers are drawn to its turquoise bays like Pigeon Point and Castara Bay, its vibrant reef systems such as Buccoo Reef and Nylon Pool, and the natural wonders of the Main Ridge Forest Reserve, the oldest protected rainforest in the Western Hemisphere. Yet for all its beauty, Tobago remains refreshingly accessible to visitors who don't want to spend a fortune. Unlike larger Caribbean destinations dominated by luxury resorts, Tobago has cultivated a network of small inns, guest houses, and boutique hotels that blend affordability with charm. Many are family-owned, perched along fishing villages or tucked into forested hillsides, offering guests a genuine slice of local life. For under 125 USD per night, travelers can find accommodations within walking distance of Tobago's most famous beaches, markets, nightlife, and historic sites, while enjoying comforts such as air conditioning, Wi-Fi, swimming pools, and kitchenettes. What makes Tobago special is that budget-friendly doesn't mean sacrificing atmosphere, whether you prefer waking up to waves in Buccoo, panoramic views in Castara, or a quick stroll to nightlife in Crown Point. There's a place that fits. Below is a guide to some of the island's most affordable lodging options, each with its own character and proximity to Tobago's highlights. Located in the fishing village of Castara on Tobago's scenic North Shore, Castara Inn offers studios and apartments from around 99 per night. Guests highlight the breathtaking views from the hillside property, with balconies overlooking both the Caribbean Sea and nearby forest trails. All rooms are air-conditioned, come with free Wi-Fi, and some include full kitchens. The inn provides direct access to Castara Beach, a short walk away, and is known for its private, peaceful atmosphere. Visitors also appreciate the warm hospitality, which consistently earns the property top ratings for comfort, value, and location. Perched above Mount Irvine Bay on Tobago's west coast, Paradise Place Apartments offer studios at around 95 per night. Each unit has air conditioning, a full kitchenette, and a private patio with either sea or garden views. Guests enjoy the property's swimming pool, free parking, and quiet surroundings. Reviews praise the hilltop setting, noting that the beach is just a short walk away, while popular sites like Buccoo Reef and Mount Irvine Golf Course are only a quick drive. The apartments are especially well suited for couples and families who want independence and scenic beauty without resort prices. Shepherd's Inn is a charming 20-room guesthouse in Crown Point, conveniently located near both the airport and Castara Bay Beach. Rooms are air-conditioned, with breakfast included, and rates start at about 104 per night. The inn features a swimming pool, lush gardens, and a free shuttle to nearby attractions. Guests consistently praise the friendliness of the staff and the tranquil environment, calling it a relaxing retreat just steps away from Tobago's nightlife and restaurants. Fort James and Pigeon Point are within walking or short driving distance, making it a convenient base for first-time visitors. Set along Pigeon Point Road, Carolina Point Resort is a small condo hotel offering suites with kitchenettes, balconies, and sea views. Rates average around 105 per night. The property includes a tropical garden, pool, and patio, creating a peaceful retreat despite its central location. Guests call it a hidden gem for its easy access to Castara Bay and Pigeon Point beaches, both less than a 10-minute walk away. Free shuttles are available to nearby attractions, and reviews highlight the cleanliness, spaciousness, and overall comfort of the suites. This cozy bed and breakfast in Scarborough, Tobago's capital, charges between 70 and 80 per night. The rooms are simple but spotless, with air conditioning, private bathrooms, and access to a garden terrace. Guests appreciate the personal touch from the hosts, often describing their stay as like visiting family. The lodge is located just over a kilometer from Castara Bay Beach and within walking distance of Fort King George and the Botanical Gardens, making it a perfect option for those who want to be close to cultural attractions as well as the coast. Located about 4 miles from central Scarborough, our sanctuary provides a collection of self-catering units with full kitchenettes, air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and a shared pool. Rates are typically under 100 per night. The property is described as peaceful yet central, with quick access to shops, restaurants, and historic sites. Guests highlight the sparkling pool, affordable rates, and comfortable rooms. While there is no on-site dining, the kitchens make it ideal for those who prefer to cook their own meals while still enjoying proximity to Scarborough's markets and eateries. Memories Cottage sits right on Buccoo Road, close to Buccoo Bay and the world-famous Nylon Pool. The waterfront property offers studios and apartments with kitchenettes, balconies, and air conditioning. Guests also enjoy an infinity pool and direct access to a private riverside beachfront. Rates are generally under $125 per night, with reviews noting the great location and great price. Visitors especially appreciate the short walk to Buccoo Beach, friendly staff, and easy access to dive shops and reef tours. Also located in Buccoo, Tobago Guesthouse, sometimes called Joy and Brandon's, offers a family-run, budget-friendly stay just minutes from the beach. Each apartment-style unit has a kitchenette, air conditioning, balcony, and private bathroom. Rates are often well under 100, and reviews highlight the friendly hosts, excellent location, and overall cleanliness. This guest house is popular with backpackers, solo travelers, and small groups who want a relaxed, social atmosphere with affordable access to Buccoo's beaches and nightlife. PeSheres Inn is a colorful guest house in Bon Accord Village, just north of the airport. Rooms are priced under 100 per night and feature air conditioning, WHYFYE, and access to a saltwater pool and spa. Guests love the balance between affordability and comfort, praising the inn's clean rooms, attentive staff, and quiet garden setting. The location is ideal for beachgoers. Castara Bay and Swallows Beach are within a 15-minute walk, while Buccoo Reef is only a short drive away. The inn also offers airport shuttle service for added convenience. Perched on the Atlantic side of Tobago near Bacolod Bay, Half Moon Blue Hotel offers spacious rooms with balconies, ocean views, and access to 3 pools and a private beach area. Rates begin at around $118 per night. Guests enjoy the tranquil setting, tropical gardens, and views of the bay. Breakfast is available, and the on-site restaurant serves Caribbean-inspired meals. The hotel is only about 2 miles from Fort King George and Scarborough's city center, making it a good choice for those who want both beach access and cultural exploration. Tobago proves that an unforgettable Caribbean getaway doesn't need to come with a luxury price tag. The island's variety of budget-friendly lodgings gives travelers flexibility. Whether it's an apartment with a kitchenette overlooking Mount Irvine Bay, a guesthouse steps away from Buccoo's nightlife, or a quiet bed and breakfast in Scarborough's cultural heart, every traveler can find a stay that balances cost with comfort. These hotels and guesthouses also reflect Tobago's spirit of hospitality, family-run operations, warm hosts who double as guides to local life, and settings where travelers feel less like tourists and more like part of the community. Beyond affordability, they provide a base for exploring the island's treasures, snorkeling the Nylon Pool, hiking in the main rich forest, dancing at Sunday school in Buccoo, or watching the sunset over Castara Bay. In the end, Tobago's budget accommodations offer more than just a bed. They deliver value, convenience, and authentic experiences that enrich every visit. For under $125 a night, travelers can unlock Tobago's beaches, history, and culture while enjoying a level of relaxation that many larger destinations can't match. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a couple chasing romance, or a family in search of affordable fun, Tobago's lodging scene ensures that the island's magic remains accessible to all.